Once again. Marami-rami ito-blow out na candle si Doc Gilbert. Ayan, isa mas gabong parang may isa po. May isa pa. Ayan. Alright, thank you so much. And this time, we have the message of gratitude coming from Sir Gilbert.
Thank you. Maraming salamat po. No? Thank you, Sir Recto. Alam nyo naantik ako dun sa kwintas ni Sir Recto. Maraming salamat po. Thank you for coming. My family from the Session Lasam Alumni Association. My family from Session Lasam Campus. Sir Lee. Thank you very much. My beshies from US, and of course my beshies here, Bessie Peng, Bessie Jehan, Bessie DJ, Sir Jacob, and all of you. Actually, I'm 36 years old. It's actually 36 years old this 2026. Honestly, hindi sana ako mag-celebrate, pero mukhang kulang kasi yung taon na hindi ko makita ang family ko ng Lasam, family ko ng Solana, family ko ng Santa Teresita, at family ko dito rin sa Gonzaga. Okay? So, yun po ang ano namin. One thing more, no? 2025 has been a challenging year for me. I was diagnosed of severe fatty liver. Thanks to Kaiser. Yun po, kaya nag-diet po ako ng mongga kasi nung kwento ko na po, no, kasi na-episode, sabi naman nila, yung araw na yun na nagpa-check up ako kasi ilang araw na rin akong hindi nakakalakad kasi masakit yung pa ako kasi yung boss ko, yung sister ni Uncle Joseph, ni Tito Joseph, siya ang boss ko.
Joy to the world, the Lord is come. Let earth receive her King. Let every heart prepare him.
Mama!